You have to stay seated, okay?
That's fine. I've done fucking nothing. Stay seated. Okay.
An ordinary DUI stop at a Central Florida police station quickly escalated into a disturbing confrontation captured entirely on bodycam footage. The restrained woman repeatedly questioned why she was being detained, while officers insisted she comply with their instructions. The Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution protects individuals against unreasonable searches and seizures. Despite being handcuffed and seated, her agitation was met with increasing tension rather than de-escalation. What began as a routine procedure soon set the stage for a moment that would raise serious legal and ethical concerns.
Why am I being in here? I want a reason on why. Why? Because you guys cannot protect me on why. Why? Why? No, I want to know why. Why? Why? Have a seat on the bench. Why?
Have a seat, please.
Why? Sit on the bench. Sit. Why? Because nothing. Because you have nothing. Something to you. Because you have nothing. You have to read something to you. No, because you have nothing to do today. Because I've done nothing. I've done nothing. Stay seated. Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Shannon McCray.
Hi, Mr. Craig. I'm Officer Kennedy.
Hi.
City Home Police Department.
Hi.
You got what's called a breath test.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
You know anything about parents?
No, I don't.
You did?
No, I don't.
Okay. All right, so what I do is called a 20-minute observation.
Go ahead. I was standing up for that shit. I'm not allowed to, right? Because why? Because is that it? Because you guys control the shit?
You have to stay seated.
Okay, fine.
20 minutes, okay?
Fine.
Once it's done, then we'll go in there and get the breath test, okay?
Okay, fine.
Are you going to be calling up to sit here? Or you
Absolutely.
All right. So you have to stay seated, okay?
That's fine.
All right. Hang out. 20 minutes, okay?
That's fine.
All right.
You guys, dude. For real.
That's fine. So 11:27.
You guys are making it out like yourselves because I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong. And you guys are just going beyond yourselves to do what the fuck you want to do, which is nothing. No fucking rights, nothing. You guys just do what the fuck you want to.
I have a charger if I have to again.
You guys do what the fuck you want to, and that's it. Isn't it? Yes, because you have nothing else to go for. I'm pathetic.
Sit down, please.
I don't have to sit down.
Sit down, please. Shanna, you gotta sit down.
No, you guys are pathetic.
Have a seat, please.
You guys are pathetic and you fucking know it. You fucking don't give a shit about normal fucking people. You guys don't give a fuck about anybody.
I'm gonna touch you. Please sit
You
down.
guys don't give a about anybody. You know how fucking selfish as fuck. And you don't give a fuck about anybody. Cause you're and oh my god. No, you. You don't know fucking shit.
This crew, we got 7 more minutes, okay?
What? Cause you guys are happy for yourself? You think you're fucking good because you fucking what? You what? You don't give a shit. You guys don't give a fuck about anybody but your fucking selves.
You want to step in here for me? I'm going to conduct the breath test.
No, I'm talking to her.
Okay? If you want to, she can step in here too. Like I said,
That's fine.
you want to just have a seat right here, just right there for me, okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Yours is fucked up.
Alright, so again, this is a fresh breath piece, okay?
Fine.
Place it here. So there's no contamination. Alright, so what you're going to do is take a deep breath in. Alright, once you take that deep breath in, you're going to let that breath out into this device, okay? Let more air out the device. Okay, so you put more breath out. Yeah, look harder. That's it. Alright, give me a second. Let's see the breath out there.
I think it's like proving what the fuck it is right now.
Well, let's clear the system out.
No, wait.
And then you'll put it about in a second.
Are you serious right now? Okay. You just can't help to be fucking proved wrong, can you? No, you can't. You just can't be proved wrong, can you? No matter what, right? It doesn't fucking matter. It doesn't matter what's right or what's fucking wrong. You don't care, right? You don't care. Do you care? Do you fucking care? You don't care.
I'm still on the job.
No, you're on this fucking job. You're fucking pathetic, dude. You're fucking pathetic. You're fucking pathetic. You don't even know, dude. You don't even. The fucking truth is right there with you, but you cannot fucking accept it. That's what's fucked up. And you know it. And you fucking know it. And that's what's fucked up. You fucking know it, you fucking coward. You're a fucking coward. You're a fucking coward. I hope you know that.
Alright, you ready for the second one?
No, are you a fucking coward or not?
No.
Are you?
So take a deep breath for me. You're going to pour out your second cycle, okay?
Dude, you're a fucking coward. You're a fucking coward. That's who you are. You're a fucking coward.
Provide the sample, Shanna.
No, he's a fucking coward. You're a fucking coward. Are you happy? Are you happy about yourself? Does that make you excited?
So you're going to blow in this one now?
Mike, does that make you excited?
Can you please blow into this?
No, I want to know. Does that make you excited?
No, let's
No, because you're not proud of it, because you're a fucking coward.
please blow into the bottom.
Sample, please.
You gotta put it in your mouth on the piece.
Just like you did the first time.
You guys are fucking pathetic.
Just like you did the first time.
You're fucking pathetic, bitch. You know it.
You gotta,
No, I don't have to do shit. I don't have to do shit.
refusing it's a felony, so go ahead.
Bitch, I fucking not refuse it at all.
You're not doing it, so that's the penalty of refusal. You got to put your mouth on the piece.
You're a fucking pathetic bitch.
First time you are.
You're a fucking pathetic
It's up
bitch.
to you. I don't care either way, so
You don't care because you're a bitch. You don't care.
please blow into the
You don't
device.
care because you're a bitch.
Halfway there.
You're a fucking little bitch.
Please blow. You got to put your mouth on the piece and then blow into the device. Put your mouth on the piece, please.
What bitch? Now what?
You cannot do it correctly.
Because maybe you're wrong. Do you ever think about that?
Please place your mouth on the
Did
device.
you ever think about that? No. Did you ever think about that? You're fucking wrong? Because you don't even know because you're a fucking punk bitch. That's who you are.
Please place your mouth on there and blow into the mouthpiece. Thank you.
Because you're a punk bitch. Are you happy about that? That would be kind of sad. Like, that's pretty fucking sad.
You're still not blowing into the device correctly.
No, because you're a fucking punk bitch. That's who you
Please place
are.
your mouth on the device and
As the interaction continued, the woman's verbal outbursts intensified, but she remained physically restrained and under police control. Officers attempted to administer a breath test, warning her that refusal could lead to additional charges, while she questioned their authority and motives. Under Florida Statute Section 316-932, any person who accepts the privilege of driving is deemed to have given consent to an approved chemical test. The legal obligation to comply, however, does not grant unlimited authority in how officers enforce compliance. The situation teetered between lawful procedure and the risk of excessive force. Without warning, the encounter turned violent when the officer slammed the restrained woman to the ground, an act caught clearly on the body camera he wore. The impact left her injured and sparked immediate outrage once the footage was released to the public. The Eighth Amendment prohibits the use of excessive force and cruel or unusual punishment by government officials. Critics argue that the use of force against a restrained individual crossed a clear legal boundary. The officer's own footage became the key evidence in what would soon escalate into felony charges.
He's hanging it below until it completes, okay?
Cause you're a bitch. That's what it is. Are you happy about that?
Keep blowing.
Do you feel about that?
So you keep talking and running the...
No, you're a fucking bitch. And
Please
you
blow
know
into the
that.
device correctly. Please blow into the
You're a little
device
bitch. Do you feel happy about that? Do you feel good about that?
Please blow into the mic. Please. Still doing it. Please blow into the device.
Do you feel happy about that? You're a little bitch. Do you feel happy about that? Because I would not give you the fucking satisfaction of giving you a fucking no. Because you're a little bitch.
You're felony, not mine.
I'm ready to beat you.
Okay.
You don't have that access against me. No, you don't have. You think you do, but you don't. You don't. Listen, you think you have this fucking shit against me, but you don't.
All you have to do is blow one more time. That's it. And then I'm gonna put you in there, take the handcuffs off, and you'll be able to pee.
I fucking blow as hard as I fucking can. Deal with it.
Let's just stop. Let's just stop.
Well, that's not my fault that you can't fucking do your shit.
You're almost done. You're almost done.
That's enough. I'm done. Either you fucking take me to go piss, or I'm fucking dead. No, take me.
Have a fucking seat down, bitch! Have a fucking seat!
In the aftermath, the officer resigned as investigations into the incident intensified and public scrutiny grew. The case ignited a broader debate about accountability, training, and the limits of police authority in high-stress situations. Under 42 U.S. Code Section 1983, individuals may sue state actors who violate their constitutional rights under color of law. For many, this incident symbolizes a deeper issue within law enforcement culture rather than an isolated mistake. The body cam, intended to ensure transparency, instead documented a moment that may define the consequences of unchecked power. The former officer later apologized in court, admitting he was in a position of power and should never have lost control. Despite pleading no contest, prosecutors are seeking a 19-month sentence while he faces the possibility of punishment as if found guilty. Meanwhile, the victim testified about lasting physical scars and emotional trauma, ensuring the impact of that moment extends far beyond the footage.